A Cardano price prediction is tougher than it might have been because of the growing volatility of the Cardano cryptocurrency, ADA, in recent months as investors in the project looked for evidence of the launch of its delayed Vasil update. Despite all that, we have come up with a future assessment of Cardano surrounding the idea that it will make future millionaires by 2025. So make sure to watch the full video and decide for yourself if you are going to be one of them or not. Welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. The ADA price increased at the beginning of June, with the upgrade anticipated toward the end of the month. However, it dropped in mid-July because a situation could have developed that needed to be resolved before the hard fork could take effect. The price then increased many times in late July, but it was unable to sustain any long-term gains over $0.50. Thus, it continued to decline along with the rest of the market after the collapse of the FTX-FTT transaction. We shall now look into some of the Cardano price predictions that were made on November 29, 2022. It is important to keep in mind that cost estimates are frequently off, especially for something potentially unstable like digital money. Furthermore, long-term crypto value forecasts are frequently based on a calculation, which means that they are subject to alter at any time. First, CoinCodex predicted that the price of the transitory ADA token might drop to $0.2785 by December 30 and $0.3032 on December 4 in a fairly pessimistic prediction. The site's specialist analysis was unfavorable, with 27 indicators producing depressing signals and only 2 producing positive ones. Meanwhile, Untitled Coin's ADA cryptocurrency price prediction suggested that Cardano might fall to $0.2466 in January 2022, before perhaps rising to $0.4806 in November 2023. The website then predicted that Cardano's price will trade at $0.7706 in 2025, but that it may subsequently fall to $0.7354 by November 2027. However, the site said that by 2030, ADA might return to 1.93 and, shockingly, predicted that the price of a Cardano coin could reach 3.85 by 2040. Then, PricePrediction.net published an ADA price prediction that was more optimistic for the last half of the 10 years, estimating that the coin may average $5.78 in 2030, up from $1.01 in 2025 and $0.34 in 2022, based on a thorough analysis with the aid of computational logic. Finally, Wallet Investors' forecast for Cardano's price in 2023 was quite pessimistic, suggesting that the currency might decline sharply from its present levels to trade at $0.0209 by late November of that year. It's critical to keep in mind that digital currency markets continue to be quite unpredictable while looking for an ADA coin cost projection. This makes it difficult to predict with accuracy what a coin will cost in a few hours, and strangely, makes it harder to create a long-term estimate. As a result, forecasters and investigators who use calculations to make predictions are prone to doing so. We advise you to always conduct your research if you are considering making a Cardano speculation. Before making any trading decisions, have a look at the most current Cardano news, market trends, in-depth analysis, and qualified judgment. Never invest money you can't bear to lose, since prior performance is no guarantee of future results. Expected Cardano value in 2025. By accepting the possibility that the price may fall by close to $1.8098, the company runs the risk of losing specific traders. However, with improvements to bug anticipation frameworks, the cost may often range from about $2.6103. However, the most awaited questions of all time regarding Cardano that everyone has. Is Cardano a silly theory? It is difficult to tell at this time. A great deal will depend on how the market develops. It is crucial to conduct your research on a coin or token to see whether it is appropriate for your venture portfolio in the unpredictable, high-risk digital currency marketplaces. Your tolerance for risk and the amount you anticipate contributing will determine if the token is an acceptable resource for you to swap. Never save money you can't bear to lose. Will Cardano spread everywhere? It is hard to determine. Destinations, like price prediction, were positive starting about November 29, 2022, whereas any kind of wallet investor was a little bit more cautious. Remember that costs may and do go down as well as up, and that value projections are usually inaccurate. It is crucial to conduct your research on a coin or token to determine whether it is the best choice for your speculative portfolio in unreliable digital currency markets. AD's viability for you depends on a variety of factors, including your tolerance for risk and the amount you anticipate contributing. Never invest money you can't bear to lose, since prior performance is no guarantee of future results. What do you think of today's video? Comment down below if you have any opinions on the topic. Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.